Hello everyone, this is Ivan. Today I will show you our workshop of 7-bits. This is our number 2 workshop of 7-bits. We have 220 5-axis CNC machines here with an investment of 80 million. All the production lines here are fully automatic and intelligent, and we can make 400,000 7-bits every month. Such a scale of investment means that we can deliver products with stable quality and lead time. Follow us to know more.